Hey guys, this is Miss Lynn. I am going to just give you a little help video to show you how to complete our assignment for Unit 7. So if you look in our course content, it's Unit 7 and the assignment is in 7.02, Styles and Headers. It's 7.02 graded assignment, Styles and Headers. And inside our drop box here, you will see two documents, and there will also be a link to this video, the instructions for the assignment, as well as a Word document for you to start with that is already typed up. So you don't have to type this assignment if you don't want to. Just make sure you click Enable Editing. So basically what you're going to do is you are going to take this unformatted Word document and you are going to use styles and headers to add emphasis to it, and so it looks more professional and it's easier to read. You can use the document that I have that shows you step by step how to fly a kite, or if you want to, you could make your own document that says, how to brush your teeth, how to tie a shoe, how to shoot a basketball, whatever you want to do. But if you don't feel like coming up with your own, you can use this one. So you're going to just follow the instructions here and format the document so that all of the text in the article has been changed to a font other than Arial. You want to make sure the title has a separate style from the rest of the document so it stands out. The main headings have a separate style from the rest of the document, and the subheadings have a separate style. You want to have your list of materials bulleted, and at least one sentence in the document has been emphasized using bold, italics, or underline. So at the end of it, you should have a visually appealing document. And you can see How to Fly a Kite is the title. There's 3 headings: materials needed, process, and when you are finished. And then the 3 steps are the subheadings. So right now the document is in Arial. I'm just going to Control A and select all. You can pick a font that you like, so as long as it's different from Arial. And then the first thing you're going to do is format the title, which is How to Fly a Kite. So let me just arrange these side by side here. So you can use style, you can come up with your own fonts and font size. Titles typically need to be big and bold and large to stand out. So you can be creative and do this however you like. Or you can use some preset styles. Here on the Home tab in the Styles group, you can see that there is a title style that's already preset. So you just want your title to stand out. Then there's 3 headings: materials needed, process, and when you are finished. We want them to stand out from the rest of the document as well, but not necessarily as much as the title does. Okay, so you can choose whatever font you think would work well: bold, italics, underline, or you could use some preset styles as well. There's a heading one here, just so long as all of the headings use the same style: materials needed, process, and when you are finished. And then the 3 steps, step 1, step 2, and step 3, are subheadings. So they need to stand out as well, but not as much as the headings in the title. So I kind of like this emphasis one here. This is called book title, or emphasis, or strong. And remember, once you have a format you like, you can double click the format painter and do the same thing for the other subheadings. And then lastly, you want to make sure that one sentence in the document has been emphasized using bold, italics, underline, or a combination of the above. So I'm going to probably take this. If you follow the directions in this article, you will be flying a kite in no time. So I'm going to make that italicized and bold so it stands out. And then you want to make sure you use a bulleted list. So for bullets, we're just going to select our materials needed, come up here to Home tab, Bullet Group, and you can choose one of the preset bullets, or you could even choose a symbol or a design and come up with your own bullet if you wanted to. That kind of looks like a kite, a little diamond. So basically, this is pretty much ready. You can tell it is a lot easier to read now. We can definitely see what the title is, the headings, the subheadings, the bulleted list, and this sentence here is emphasized. So you can go ahead and save as in your computer literacy folder as using styles with your name and submit it to the 7.02 Dropbox. So I hope that helps. I hope you guys are having a good week, and I will see you in class.